Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. Now, if you're missing some contacts or you recently deleted a contact that you want to restore on your iPhone, you want to follow these steps to recover and restore your contacts on your iPhone. So, as you see, you might notice that you're missing or not seeing a specific contact. So, in order to restore them, first option is going into your setting on your iPhone, tapping on your Apple account ID here, and then click on iCloud here. So you're going to click on iCloud here, make sure you're signed in, of course, and where it says save to iCloud, you're going to see all, and right here you're going to see contacts here. One thing you want to do is, if it's already on, just go ahead and turn it off and then turn it back on, and then you're going to click on merge so that you can merge whatever is in your iCloud with the contacts here, and you're going to make sure that is syncing. So turn it off and on. If it's off, just turn it on so that you can get your contact restored. Now, that might be the only thing you need to do, and your contact might be restored. But let's say if it isn't, or you're refreshing it and you're not seeing it, the next thing to do is go over to any browser on your phone and then go to iCloud.com. Once you get to iCloud.com, basically you're going to sign into the same Apple ID account that you're signed in on your phone here. So make sure you're signed in to the same account that's here, right? Sign in with your password. And once you're signed in, you're going to tap on these apps right here, which will show you all of your apps. But right here gives you the data recovery feature. So if you tap on data recovery here, you can recover basically deleted contacts or any other information by looking at this option here. As you can see here, it allows me to restore contacts. So I can click on restore, and you can see here one archive. So I click on restore here, and then as you can see, archive was selected, replace the contacts. So you want to go ahead and do that, restore here. It's going to restore for us the contacts here, which is going to be another way to restore any of your contacts. As you can see, it says contacts restore. So you hit OK, and you can see that restore. There's also different backups you can do restore from. And then you're going to open up your contacts and see, or go ahead and refresh by pulling down. Hopefully you're seeing them. Now, if you're still not seeing them, another way to also do it is by going to your setting on your iPhone, and this time go down all the way to apps, and then you're going to go to the mail app itself. So let's go to the mail app right here. In the mail app, you're going to see mail account. So contacts can also be synced from your mail account. So if you have a contact, maybe another folder or somewhere, or another account, like for example, instead of iCloud, maybe you have it at Gmail contact, you want to go ahead and turn on contacts here. So if you synced it to your Gmail, all of the contacts will be there, and then it will also go ahead and populate those contacts here. As you can see here, now I have a lot more contacts that I restored that I was missing. So you want to follow all these steps. Now, if you have different accounts, just go through each of the mail app and make sure that contact is turned on for each one, and you should see all of your contacts restored on your iPhone. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.